ComHoma Writing Computer Desk Office Folding Table Modern Simple Work Study Desk Industrial Style PC Laptop Table for Home Office, no assembly required, brown. And no assembly required. This special writing desk requires no assembly with any tool. Just unfold the frame and press the desk board onto the frame. Super easy and modern design, ComHoma Computer Writing Desk is designed with modern simple style. This less is more concept office desk will fit your working space at home or office perfectly. And large workspace. The table comes with generous work surface, which keeps you organized and efficient and make you feel comfortable and professional while you work. And sturdy and stable, with strong metal frame and reliable wooden board, this sturdy desk is built to outlast years. And adjustable leg levelers keep the desk from wobbling or being uneven. And wide application, it's perfect for writing, studying, gaming, and even dining. Suitable for study, bedroom, dining room, kitchen, children's room, and office. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.